for the Bourbon Street. Somebody tell me what's going wrong. I ain't seen my baby in far too long. Somebody please tell me what's going wrong. They say them legs broke and my baby's gone. I've been searching all around, digging, digging, I wrote this song for the Hurricane Katrina victims. And I was inspired just by watching all the highlights. And my family's from New Orleans, Louisiana. So finally this year I got some time to go back to New Orleans and sing this song. And it was the best feeling to watch people from New Orleans, you know, just really close their eyes and have a good time. It's sort of a sad song, but if you know anything about New Orleans, they don't stay sad for too long. They clap their hands, dance, jump around, throw the beads. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to clap until we leave it. Can we do that? Here we go now. Come on, we on Bourbon Street now. There you go. Been a couple of days in a real dark night. I miss my only child. I ain't seen her since that night. She left home about 8 and never to return. Our bodies floating through that river. I gotta know what's going on. I ain't seen my baby in far too long. Somebody please tell me what's going wrong. They say them legs broke, my baby's gone. I've been searching all around, day and night. Somebody please tell me I need to feel some light. So many souls crying, how could this be? Every step I take, I can't help but oh Lord, please rescue me. Somebody tell me what's going wrong. I ain't seen my baby in far too long. Somebody please tell me what's going wrong. They say them legs is broke and my baby's gone. Please somebody tell me what's going wrong. My baby's in far too long. Somebody tell me what's going wrong. They say the lead is broke and my baby's gone. Let's go to Bourbon Street, clap your hands now. Benny and Greg. Somebody tell me, just tell me, please somebody tell me, come on and tell me, please tell me what's going on. Everybody say, tell me. Say it loud, say, tell me what's going on. Tell me. Say what? Tell me what's going on. Tell me. One more time. Tell me what's going on. Tell me one more time. Tell me what's going on. Tell me one more time. Tell me what's going on. Tell me. Tell me what's going on. Tell me. Oh, somebody tell me. Tell me what's going on. Hit me right here on. One more time. One more time for Seattle. Come on. One more time for Seattle. One more big time for Seattle. One more time.